Are your knees feeling stiff or painful from arthritis? You're not alone. One simple, refreshing option is juice, packed with anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants. I'll guide you through 4 easy, delicious juices that may help soothe arthritic knees. Let's get started. Let's begin our journey into natural pain relief with a truly golden elixir. Our first recipe is a vibrant tropical juice that combines the sweet tang of pineapple with the earthy, potent power of turmeric. This isn't just a delicious drink. It's a targeted nutritional strategy designed to soothe your joints and bring a little sunshine into your wellness routine. We're going to explore not just how to make it, but why each ingredient is a powerhouse for anyone dealing with joint stiffness and discomfort. The star of this juice is, of course, pineapple. While we love it for its tropical sweetness, its real magic for joint health lies in a powerful compound called bromelain. Bromelain isn't a single substance, but a group of enzymes that have been studied extensively for their remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Think of it as your body's natural cleanup crew. It helps break down proteins that can trigger inflammation and pain, particularly in tender joints affected by arthritis. Beyond bromelain, pineapple is also bursting with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for producing collagen, the very building block of your cartilage. It also provides a healthy dose of manganese, a mineral critical for bone health and antioxidant defense. When choosing your pineapple, look for one that is fragrant at its base and has a golden yellow color. These are signs of peak ripeness and potency. Now, let's turn to our second key ingredient, turmeric. This brilliant orange root has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatories. Scientific studies have shown that curcumin can block specific inflammatory pathways in the body, sometimes performing as effectively as common anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the harsh side effects. It's also a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize damaging free radicals that can accelerate wear and tear on your joints. Whether you use fresh, grated root for its vibrant, peppery flavor or a high-quality organic powder for convenience, you're tapping into an ancient source of healing that modern science continues to validate. But here's a crucial tip that elevates this juice from simply healthy to truly therapeutic. Turmeric's powerful curcumin is notoriously difficult for our bodies to absorb on its own. That's where a simple pinch of black pepper comes in. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which works in synergy with curcumin, dramatically increasing its bioavailability. Studies suggest piperine can boost your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, ensuring you get the maximum anti-inflammatory benefit from every single sip. Never forget this step. It's the secret to unlocking turmeric's full potential. To create this liquid gold, you'll need 1 cup of fresh, ripe pineapple chunks. Add these to your blender along with half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or about a 1-inch piece of fresh peeled turmeric root. Now for that all-important pinch of black pepper. For an extra anti-inflammatory kick and a zesty flavor, we highly recommend adding a small piece of fresh ginger. Finally, blend everything with about half a cup of water, or, for added electrolytes and a creamier texture, coconut water. Blend on high until it's perfectly smooth and vibrant. Pour this beautiful juice into a glass and enjoy it immediately to get the most of its live enzymes and nutrients. For best results, try drinking it in the morning to help combat overnight stiffness and start your day with less discomfort. Think of it not as a one-time fix, but as a delicious daily ritual. Consistency is key when using nutrition to manage arthritis symptoms. Many people who make this a regular habit report a noticeable difference in their joint mobility and a reduction in everyday aches. This refreshing tonic is more than just a drink. It's a simple, proactive step you can take every day to nourish your body and support your joints from the inside out. Next up, a bright mix of carrots, oranges, and ginger. These are loaded with vitamin C for collagen building. Ginger adds relief with compounds that reduce joint stiffness and pain. Use 2 medium carrots and 2 fresh oranges, peeled and segmented. Add grated ginger and stir until smooth. This vibrant juice is slightly sweet, slightly spicy, and perfect for knee support. Next, we turn to a combination that's as visually stunning as it is therapeutically potent: the deep, earthy pairing of beetroot and celery. This vibrant, ruby red juice is more than just a colorful drink. It's a targeted nutritional strategy designed to address two core issues behind joint pain: poor circulation and persistent inflammation. Think of it as nature's one-two punch for soothing your aching joints and restoring a sense of ease and mobility. The star of this show is the humble beetroot. Its power lies in its high concentration of dietary nitrates. When you consume beetroot, your body converts these nitrates into a molecule called nitric oxide. This molecule is a potent vasodilator, which means it helps to relax and widen your blood vessels. For your joints, this is crucial. Improved circulation means a richer supply of oxygen and essential nutrients can reach the cartilage and surrounding tissues, promoting repair and reducing stiffness, while also efficiently flushing out inflammatory waste products that cause pain. But that's not all. The magnificent color of beetroot comes from powerful antioxidants called betalains. These compounds are fierce warriors against oxidative stress, a process where unstable molecules damage cells, contributing to chronic inflammation and the progression of arthritis. By neutralizing these free radicals, the betalains in beetroot provide a protective shield for your joints at a cellular level. Now, let's talk about its partner, the crisp, refreshing celery. Celery is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory flavonoids like luteolin and apigenin. These compounds work by inhibiting specific enzymes in the body that trigger the inflammatory response, helping to quell swelling. Furthermore, celery is naturally alkalizing. Many inflammatory conditions thrive in a more acidic internal environment. By helping to balance your body's pH, celery creates a less hospitable setting for inflammation. Its natural diuretic properties also help reduce painful swelling or edema in and around the joints. To create this healing elixir, you'll need 1 medium-sized beetroot. We recommend peeling it to remove any tough skin and earthy bitterness. Then, chop it into manageable chunks. Pair this with 2 to 3 large stalks of fresh celery. Don't forget the leaves, as they're packed with nutrients. For a touch of natural sweetness and an extra dose of the anti-inflammatory flavonoid quercetin, we're adding half a sweet apple. A small knob of ginger can also be included for its potent anti-inflammatory gingerols. Feed all the ingredients through your juicer. Watch as this incredible jewel-toned liquid fills your glass. The aroma is fresh, earthy, and invigorating. We heard from one of our community members, Mark, who manages osteoarthritis. He shared, "The beet and celery juice has become my morning ritual. After a few weeks, I genuinely felt a difference in my knee swelling. It's a simple change that has made a big impact on my daily comfort." The result is this deep red grounding juice that works synergistically to support circulation and calm inflamed joints. Enjoy it fresh, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize absorption. Consistency is key. Incorporating this juice into your routine a few times a week can be a delicious and empowering step on your journey to better joint health. Next up, we're crafting a beverage that's as powerfully healing as it is delicious: our vibrant tart cherry and apple juice. This isn't merely a refreshing drink, it's a carefully designed elixir, a symphony of flavor and function aimed directly at soothing inflamed joints and bringing you natural relief. The hero ingredient is the tart cherry, specifically the Montmorency variety. These gems are bursting with potent antioxidants called anthocyanins. Research highlights their ability to lower uric acid in the bloodstream, a primary cause of gout flare-ups. Furthermore, these compounds act as natural inhibitors of the COX-1 and COX-2 inflammatory enzymes, the same pathways targeted by many pain medications. This makes tart cherries a formidable weapon against the chronic inflammation of arthritis. Paired with the cherry is the humble yet mighty apple. Its role extends beyond providing sweetness. The magic of the apple lies in its skin, a rich source of quercetin, another powerful anti-inflammatory flavonoid. Quercetin works in synergy with the cherry's anthocyanins, amplifying their effect and helping to stabilize the body's inflammatory responses. This dynamic duo creates a combined force for joint health that is greater than the sum of its parts. We hear stories all the time from people who've felt the difference. Take Mark, a gardener limited by stiff knees. He told us, "I started drinking this juice every morning. Within a month, the change was undeniable. The morning stiffness eased up and I can spend hours with my plants again. It feels like a treat, not a chore." To create this liquid relief, You will need 1 cup of tart cherries. Frozen are perfect and available year-round. And 1 crisp apple. For the apple, a Fuji or Gala will lend a gentle sweetness, while a Granny Smith provides a more zesty flavor. The choice is yours. Begin by washing your apple thoroughly, but be sure to leave that nutrient-rich skin on. Simply remove the core and slice the apple into chunks. If you're using fresh cherries, you'll need to pit them first. Now your ingredients are ready. Place the apple chunks and the cup of tart cherries into your blender. Add about a 1/4 cup of filtered water to help everything combine smoothly. Now, blend on high for about 30 to 45 seconds, watching as the ingredients transform into a stunning, deep, ruby red juice. Pour this vibrant elixir into a glass and enjoy it right away. For best results, consider making this juice part of your daily morning routine. While it's packed with goodness, remember it contains natural fruit sugars, so it's best consumed as part of a balanced diet. This ruby red drink is a delicious, refreshing, and powerful tool in your arthritis management toolkit, a true natural friend to your knees. These 4 juices are simple, refreshing, and naturally packed with benefits that can support your health and well-being. They're not cures, but they can be a comforting part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little relief this Christmas. For more gentle wellness tips and practical tools, explore our collection of printable and fillable wellness journals, designed to help you track habits, reflect daily, and reset with calm intention. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a season filled with comfort, peace, and good health, one sip at a time.